Okay, good.
Okay,
I
comme
can
bi
hear
nga
him
fale
very well.
nyamina drong nga promiso min fana dial la ko bi mbe kacha sotla ning na onko la min keta lamin maneti min beta ka UDP la karola anin Gambia fongo in general anin politiko be so nga na promiso fana nga kiple anum fana mba fana fala ko abarka bake aman time so nyawnya na bari ay ndema drong ay time do din ala busy time kono mba fala woto ko abarka bake Uncle Nye Kontom Bake.
Baraka Babu, and it's always a pleasure on Pesita Nyawanya. Nalkonga Bankola Wakacha. We always try to make time for another Wakacha because Okumayata Bake. Doko Minna Sahayata Bake and Bill Kukino na Bankola Doko. Bill Hajo Moti. So Visita Nyawanya, so I try to call you Kapuna Kachano. So I'm really happy to be here. Ila audience and spectators in Buffalo Bay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bebe Kontona, Ida Dawadan. And I hope that this is going to be a good program and the beginning of many others to come.
Okay, Uncle Abaraka Bake wala no comme kontanita wo fana la bake comme ya fo nyamina dron banku doku le atol wolendi ndol fana banku doku le wolendi so wo banku doku fulol ni wol benta dawdan to do la nyanta sonne yala le woto Uncle mba commencer damin to dron lafta dron yeddo mandim fonye I fongola koto Uncle jamale lamin manet
Yes, Lamin Mane Munta Ntem Bonsunube Nyomile Jinaki Kajate and Ninjata ko. Then Bamala Karola Kajate, then Bama Fama Nata Si Kaur, Ntawuluta Waleto. For Mentaji for primary Interagan Kaur School for Primary 6. Then moved to Nangambe High School Banjul. Famala Karola Bota Jata Kole Nata Si Brufut. So I'm thinking at Malaman, Nyomi Sotole, Salum Soto Kaur, Combo Soto. So that's Lamin Mane. So after Kaur School, Natagambe High School, up to 6th form. Then I went to study international law in France. I did a bachelor's in public international law in Dijon, in Grenoble. Then I moved to Dijon. I did a master's in private international law. Nata Seinanjang, I worked for the Senegambia Confederation for about 4 years. During that time, I went to different training programs. I went to the University of Pittsburgh in the US. I did development management. Then Musanam, I worked again for a short while in the Confederation in Dakar. Then I went to the UK. I studied the master's again in translation and interpretation. Then I came back after the Confederation dissolved. Then I went to the African Development Bank. But before African Development Bank, I came back here. I worked for 3 years with President Jawara as the president's office. Then I went to the ADB, African Development Bank, and that's where I did all my career for 29 years in different capacities. So basically, Gambia, I worked here for 3 months. I worked in Senegal under the Confederation for 4 years. And then the rest of my career was with the African Development Bank outside the Gambia until I retired in 2019. And I came back home in 2020 and hoping to have a good retirement and quiet time. And then I saw the country going down the drain. I cannot just sit back in my corner, enjoy my retirement when my country is sinking. I do not have that right. This country made me what I am today, alhamdulillah. So I have to give back to this country. That's what pushed me back into politics.
Okay. Jenne mena politiko la karola domande rek lafta kenyinin ka janna domande because akuma ya batale. Uncle education wotumo anin sign Gambia la karola karango la Kenya la niya korasi mun different ne bejeto atol la time karango anin nin jamano karango for sign karango ila mune mu different.
The difference is the quality of the schools, the quality of the teachers, and the dedication of the teaching staff. Until that time, we had very limited resources, but excellent teachers, highly committed. For those people, teaching was like a calling, you know. Around the room, wala do kuti kabalu wala ulita wala kam. Isafa ala yetol da wala kam so sawarta bakere nun karandiro. So tulunga teacher min soto tumo andun you know karango so be yamen bije nim force o bije tinnale nin tul jita ben buta tata university ngala ne ko Gambia ñu dam baake katun kamin kara university force yenu on from be ko vajanna fo kaba. So it was plain sailing. So really, karambul beta to mo teacher beta yata dedication sort of. Saying karambul siata, but unfortunately, the teaching staff non sekunda me mako nyente mako nyame. So the quality of the teaching staff, but the quality is not there. So didn't even la karanga jama their sacrifice. So the good teachers will make it aside private sector, public sector fente. Okay, at least in kind of different that's not fair. Imam Makoiro so the so la nyame. Momo bete momo qualification beto so the beka borita private sector because go. So private sector will have the best teachers. They have the best facilities. So Yajuba in the exam Tambila 2023. Public schools, 90% of the kids failed in the grade 12 exams. Only 10% passed. Private sector, 91% passed. Only 9% failed. So you see the difference. 90% failed as opposed to 91% pass in the private sector. That's a huge difference. So in the public sector, this is a sacrificed generation. Because education is the equalizer. Near education, they have a fighting chance in life. They can compete for any job in this country. That is what we need. We need to give our kids the fighting chance. I wouldn't have gone to work for the ADB. I wouldn't be where I am today. Because education from public sector education, today we are what we are today, alhamdulillah. And we need to come back to those basics. We need to support our public schools. We need to give them the resources, give them the proper teaching staff. Teachers will encourage, give them good salaries to keep them in the public sector. Not in the private sector. Everybody is looking for greener pastures. So masakunda interfere with teacher mako ke do little dealer ke mako in service training and so forth. Nyambako asambo mankola ya. But near school like MRC Holland school lokan kende. But teacher little mansia, material mansia. In this day and age of IT and internet, schools not basically they should have free access to the internet. They should have easy access to anything near along with education material that is online. But I think I care now because in school man computer sort of, access to the internet, non-connectivity sort of, near sort of is too expensive to pay. Need to school charge only for so all of these are things me and come secondary and 10 million longer. Instead of could become damaged. If I look at this OIC summit that ended, when they bought 100 vehicles, high-end four-wheel drives and Mercedes sedans.
Okay. Uncle,
Mena of those cars song. Almost all the schools on the internet.
Mena water the demanding, but left on Murko demanding, Jenning Befutala water follow. Left the dam into Olemo. Why UDP?
Yes, why UDP? Janimbe Sailan already I was in touch with UDP in Kolu from a distance. I was an international civil servant. So I could not really go into politics openly. So I was meditating, but from the sidelines. So I knew those people already. Somebody like Amadou Sane, we went to high school together, different high schools, but we went to high school together. We knew each other from those days. Hussein Davujula, I knew them, not very close. And I knew a number of other people in UDP. So I was there, but from a distance. But my status as international civil servant required me to take a distance because I could not get into politics. Just like Gambian civil servants, you can't get into politics openly. So, very certain, I really came home to, as I said, to enjoy my retirement and live a quiet life demanding, because I had been on the front line for all my working life. It was tough. So I wanted some peace and quiet. So when I got back about how the country was going, things were difficult and everything was going wrong. When I said, no, I cannot just stay here, enjoy my retirement, enjoy my pension, and see the country go down. So okay, I have to get into politics. So I went back to look at all the political parties that were currently active and see who can I join, where can I be very effective, whose principles agree with my thinking. So I looked at the manifestos, I looked at the manifestos, I looked at their programs, and then I saw that the best fit for me is UDP. So I decided to make the big jump. I went to Amadou not very long before and was there. Not alone saying, but I think I should go through you, because you are somebody who I knew from childhood days, and I just want to now come to UDP full time and meditate, because this country needs all of us. Because ngaje ali katomi kanyim bankoy ngaje ali batamin tanyim bankoy sanji mwani mfula ali masakunda do kele kanjanno, because ko man tata kan nya ya ali muta ya ali sorom ya ali bute ya ko lal kay bodol fa o matna le fali o matna le son katanyin do ya fa na pour fa le siyali I enjoy but I see that to nya fa sa kan do you are the party of the. There are other parties, Milton and Benjamin, Doyle and so forth, they were still in the opposition, but the commitment was not the same. Gambia Jang, Milibe on the front line, no Milibe Kelo Nyato, Mili Mutai, Kamilu Soroi, Kamilu Batandi, Kamilu Dolufa, UDP, Lawata, and Diman South. What a Mulu, Yalu after Minayalo, and there's Imam Bori, Imam Burukoma, these are the people of the Patio form the Kelo Kenyo. So let's say UDP. Didn't have to alhamdulillah manna nimisa, because I'm miranu jenga wala taraji. Somebody like the party leader Hussein Dab. This is 28 years, almost 30 years. Kukilemo kuna, you're fighting the same battle. Kukilemo Keleka, I am a lawyer, stopped practically because of UDP. And the family bait strategy. Friends Jamal lose because of this. School for some belaka. Ya Tonyeng, ya Tidimbalia, ya Lipa, ya Tumi, ya Ubek, Ka Yellow Bomb. I will be a man who was Nimbankole a Sula, Nimbankole a Hati, the Nimbankole Tanya, Tonya, Fasa, Mumu Yella, Nyamto Sota Nimbankoka. I'm happy and in choice with that UDP. Because
okay,
invest in Nyaka and enjoy ourselves. Yeah.
Okay, lafta ngana jantu do mandi because Seiko commitment were not the same. All ko party there were other parties me aron ko be jannu, but commitment on man killing. Niko commitment on man killing. Mune atina, is it because of that come UDP ila mol mi aron ko maybe findita ye dol muta ye sorong ye dol fa ya ye dol tilimbal ya. Fo be o commitment sifar na bang fo commitment dole ba ko ma mi alon ko andol ma wolo
commitment on in bidje wala ni toñaje ye toña fasa whatever it costs you ya lon ko ñu ben kele la ni be ku be la kan UDP ikawol dum lam tajal mo ba pati dum so jami yan ko ke la bolum tan ke bute ke so on ke fa wati jan okay. What you will be jele, million days, what do what is finte command for a Murko may de Motemo record. But it is a million alota, Jamela Masakunda Kele, UDP a Kelenan. Because Makele Jame Conne, a la policies no manso walla. Tiaru be back a manso walla ko way falling. And the Alonco war to a welcome corruption fights back. You could be corruption of Kela, Fanake Kele. Ikamilu ikafta mila tinyaro bayila wal kafo a ñi lafta na tarangole tinyala ñi lafta na ñantole tinyala ñi lafta na nidia tinyala ifana na kele okay bari o meso murundi ko so itonle be nunje wati o wati jamme ku kurunki wati finti yafu jamme ku ko wati ya fo man song dal ko tenen ten ye diam ye son ko ye ati ke ralil ke mitingol ke ye finti ka ko be kele min man ta silola jamme kam façon be lela man dinka parti le mu fitina parti le mu man la fi gambian ko le man la fi lu tawle ko façon be le fo pour que to ko yato bar butu yalon ni te to nya fasa ka molu kam men fo ke dew itene ala tema wala ye suwa ñete yalon ko i ka men ke to be loren to ñale kan andu ala o ñabalal allahu ala ku ko ke imir indiana ye to ku ya mo la problème wala itan ko to ñale kan andu UDP wala all this time ni wato bebe wala kan ye kelo fa somo bere ke ñim banko ka ye bata bere ta ñim banko ka isa no comme ñin don lienke ifana le join APRC e si ni ya jambe ti ñaro ke do moro ke no tak hay ko to nga foire ata bare na tilingota pour ñim banko e kana for 2016 so moɓe ilan ko 2016 fadde ɓe kelale moɓe ñatto soto moɓe banko dimo ɓe ñattani solo banko ka yasoto haɗa mo ron kono yele mata
ok oncle janim mena adam baroya
kartuma sindiñen kama
janim mena adam baroya lafta nga mur ko mo demande because yakku foja ko mata ko isanole wala UDP yata jamme ya ina domoro ke tol fana but nga korosi ni hakko if I can remember UDP la barama dobe je ka homi wajuara ay times to nga jointa barokan ne andu mole matino mi yalon ay jamme kan mole matino mi yalon ko ay kelo ke bakel against baro ay jamme but nata time je atata so ni ko UDP sa nole ye join jamme kan ibe di party leader ibe wala fongola bang fo ibe ni modol fana belale
yes, party leader, okay. And in party leadership. Because anyway, then you will have party leader, and in party leadership, you will be better. It has a doubt once in a while, more to move to the media lonko will be pisal le boy. Yeta, will be come by. Why do you are in your and Hanisa and from here, you want to know about some Caribou to carry out a UDP, NPP. What to buy? Very well in politics, what well in democracy. Because Nimin Lalonko Keloni ko adita talo ko sai ngata fam kunkilin da hanini wol bita bari mil ko hanit la kunkilin da ha o man sula ban ko da ha wala yin sula wol bi jelo wol manta bari do no bona leta do te bayra any struggle aliyake modu pisala wala borieta ko ka bay hada ma di wala gonya but net the majority of the people in the UDP manage leadership bi jele manta Amadou Sané bi jele manta dawda aji yam ndaw jabo bi jele manta dawda aji yam sek aji Sukaina Ka mbemba tambedu ke babaro e bannaje mil bi je manta dula to be noto laji esdabo
okay
sai ngananan laji mudu ngananan there are so many people mil bi je ngam so indicator just name them. They are there. They are there. Milifata, la mendambu de banyo, etc. But what in what is a dosi kana way pisali wait out a buyer. And that will continue. Hansa from the cake tomorrow.
Okay.
But
Uncle
that's politics.
Ngana demanding say
kana kaje you come in for the tonya new level. And I will join ka. Will see a bata minkata.
Okay. Sa lafta drong ngananan demanding parce que nya jele 2026 natanang 2016 natanang because you have nyamin na 2016 meter tarajet 2016 meter tarajet bari ngaje ko 2016 Adama Barrow UDP le ya londi anu ya fo nyamin na kabri ya sele fuko pare ani mole tata election la mi ale ka faye ko Halifa Sallah bari ye Adama Barrow le choose so molko UDP itolle Barrow di molla so malong ibe mune fola nyenyinto Adama Barrow UDP itira miraroto munat na UDP e Adama Barrow choose parce que model be jele no ngamo nyamina minu ya lonko they were more educated than Adama Barrow. Why Adama Barrow?
I'm sorry, I can break less. I'm question on them. Can you repeat it?
Okay, network slow tale Adama Barrow network ko len nak nko ngajele 2016 amete tarajeto nak bari UDP itolle Adama Barrow tombo oncle comme nga fa nyamina dronko 2016 ila foro to 2016 amete tarajeto bari nko UDP why Adama Barrow?
Hello?
Emana question on mwede?
Nami mweko 2016 punta janga, yes, emi laka mwede.
Okay, nka follow ko comme ila explanation to 2016 where tara iman join UDP if I am right. Nko bari foye londi sotoje munati na UDP ye Adama Barrow choose for Adama Barrow le mote no min karanta UDP beti wotembo ani atata fana mote mi yalonko he was the only solution because model ko ya sacrifice le wala atina ye Adama Barrow choose because of Jammeh. People were scared of Jammeh. So mala si muna fono nyenyendo.
It was breaking a bit, but nothing you understand. 2016 ye Barrow sacrifice le because of Jammeh wala atina Barrow. Is that what you're saying?
No, unko nga two questions ne join together. Unko loko ninge moy bake 2016 ameta Raymond join UDP. Unko but why UDP Adama Barrow choose because nta fola nak mune ate because mojama ka mune folem Adama Barrow among he's a leader but like among Londo soto Londo miyalonko as a Keno president oti. So why UDP ye Adama Barrow choose model fanako UDP ye Barrow sacrifice le because of Jammeh mobialonko Jammeh was very dangerous comme molla foro. So nko ila mira roto o ila paske ibe UDP le ngalo ye Londo soto jele sai do ab 2016 metra je nyawnyana why Barrow?
In 2016, I was still an international civil servant, so Manta will taken directly in UDP. Because I was working a lot from abroad at that time, 2016 in particular. I do a manifold, there's something going on.
Yeah, back. Back. Clear. Carry on.
Things wants you to confirm something.
Yeah. Yeah, very clear.
Okay. So 2016, what I mean the selection of Kera Usenu Dabo Muta. Amadou Sana Muta. I mean a lot of the UDP senior management here Muta surrounding my. So Jammeh succeeded pour que UDP decapitate Kalanyaton ko Karano Bebuta Kesoro. So Miltuta common because Ninga Hakilo Bakami Lumine Finti Tapukata Solos and then like body Yininka dead or alive, Ulum Usenu Koleko, only the UDP executive committee substantive members who Nyaton Kul Levita. In normal Uncle deputy will to coma. Isaje Ninku Katanilla, Itola, will see in Patio Tenten. Because if Intalumina Ye Lalko is Fano Lewolum, Katu Jame Peretan Wallano. So I could the substantive members who will Fintilla, at a demonstration order. At the family Benyato. When we file it to the far, near to the far, then number 2, the deputy will say party some.
Network of the Laman system back a bit.
Okay.
I'm coming from Walanko, come Yeji Maradom and the Walanko because Kumar in Bakere, Eco UDP, Nko why Adama Barrow, Eco Ameta Raje, Bari, Wotumo UDP la Baramal Bay, Ibeta Silokan and no Foinate de Mutajeto. Ibe wolto no ibe jele explain kam.
Yes.
So idanta wolto malong ilafto munela falo kanu.
Okay. So you will be so number 2 you number ko donate to taje na raf ko sai momo la ta pour ka lo UDP ka ke flag bearati ina yeto safe so to safe alman siya mo dan tan doron adamu ta baro do la ko na ta tombo tumati he was deputy treasurer le amul sana no man na ta ya ke na flag bearati na ta coalition fana ya tombo but mo coalition agreement kambe tamit no ni mi tombo bira ka tebu la le e coalition la flag bearati on the coalition la flag bearati so coalition represent coalition be campaign kai sa ko UDP ina ka la bearati aji am sek ani aji am ndaw yabo wode kele barka ko to na la beto ya campaign ko fo na la bangaya ani coalition to mal be so tomorrow ngol ka ko ya sacrifice le hani ma sacrifice bari tomorrow nyato ko le be soronde so bin to je fonni wole ta nyo na to bo wala ko to tomorrow mo be jikosi to ko mo betelam abe ala count kantalale mais min fo be wala kala rek ñena jikila tewti katon amanna bato bo dala so because fon lo to janga ko in 2017 some men the coalition of mass ako beri wo sango fa bakar tom bon jata ani siri jana ya ka fa ko UDP ko bay ni e bay si ma koy ni e do ko fa si parti do lo afon lo ta aya fe mo ma sukuru la da so fo le fo ja so mo be understand ko in 2017 some men the coalition of mass beri to mo ni ko sa ke fa so we can follow content for what we like UDP call and tala.
Okay, uncle.
Left on for national ko continue to the Malian to Sakunda ko. The different project na to the Malian ko moro. But ko hani wala man to samana masakunda. Ya jama kele ko abuja. Ko mo sakunda no sido kan ata ba ko ta sido kan mo be la nyam to so ni ba ko ka mo ta na so wala samana ja. Ni ngata tije ko te to bitale. So mo ko sa ka wani do non amon sanen for example ay vehicle policy da mi am ko banko sa wasa sin safe million ko sabal